I'm Paul Percival, co-founder of Percy Reed London, and today I'm going to show you how to get a textured curl. So to create a textured beachy curl to the hair, we're going to use the Percy Reed Beyond the Beach texture spray. We're going to work in reasonably small sections because we want to actually get more curl into the hair rather than a wave. So I'm just lightly misting the Beyond the Beach spray. I'm taking my smaller tong, and as you can see, I'm just wrapping it around. I'm not twisting each section. And then I'm just gently moving the wand up and down. And the reason I want to do this is because I still want to have a modern texture. And you can also see I'm leaving the last sort of half an inch of the hair out so that you have slightly straighter ends. Again, I'm just lightly misting. The Beyond the Beach spray is brilliant for giving the hair just some more guts and texture, a bit like you come out of the sea. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be randomly winding the hair. By that I mean I'm not always going to be wrapping it around the wand the same way, because I want there to be some different movement and different direction in the hair, again because we want it to appear more natural. And then you can see I'm just holding the hair out, keeping a little bit of tension just while it cools down, and then we can just start to break it up. And as you can see, we've got a really nice curl. The Beyond the Beach spray is a fantastic product for giving texture because of the Cornish sea salt. It's the salt that helps to create that texture. Again, you can already see, although we're getting that beachy texture, we haven't lost any of the shine. There's still incredible shine in the hair. And as you can see, just by leaving these ends, when we're actually holding on and leaving that sort of half inch of the hair out, again, it just makes it feel slightly more undone and less like it's been styled. In many ways, the more imperfectly you do it, the more natural it will look. Just to finish, I'm just going to add some of the Beyond the Beach text spray to my fingers, get it inside, in between my fingers, and then I'm just going to pull that through to make it a little bit more of a grungy texture. And there you can see we have a great Beyond the Beach textured curl.